My passion is to make all owner wealthy. It is difficult to put into words just how deeply invested I am in the power of investing. Because for me, it's not just a job or a hobby, or it's my way of life. When I say that I live and breathe investing, I mean it with every fiber of my being. I have seen firsthand how investing can change your life. It can transform you. And I've seen it for other people as well, just how powerful investing is. It's not just about the money, although that is certainly an important part of it, but it's about the freedom and the security that comes with being financially stable. I am driven to help you to understand the importance of investing because I know that it can make all the difference in your life. I want to show you that it's not about a rich thing and it's not something for the wealthy or elite. Investing is something that anybody can do with the right guidance and support. So if you're ready to take the first step on your wealth journey, I want you to reach out to me and click that link in bio.